Hi, I'm Tiffany from ABI Interiors, and today we are at Ostani House. It has a strong white exterior, balanced by the timber battens wrapping around to the entryway. So I can't wait to see the inside. Come on in, let's check it out. Through the entryway, my eye is immediately drawn to the high ceilings and the herringbone flooring. To my left, we have a bedroom. And in through here is a living room that sits opposite the courtyard with this beautiful grand olive tree that is 50 years old. I feel that this courtyard really opens up the home and adds so much life to it. Down the hallway, we have 2 bedrooms and a powder room. And in through here is the laundry, where they have used some bluey green Kit Kat tiles that contrast really well with the timber cabinetry. Behind me is the main bathroom. In the main bathroom, the owners have gone for a retreat style in here. They've kept it calm and neutral. They've added in some subtle details into the bath with the fluting, as well as the tapware using our Namika range that has some ribbing detail on the spout, as well as the mixer. In here we have the open living, kitchen and dining area. It's really light and airy. Again, we're seeing those high ceilings. And one of my favorite features in a home is a fireplace. They've even added some VJ paneling as well. The living backs onto the kitchen, where we've got a generous island, got some fluting detailing at the front here. The kitchen is a timeless design. It's got 360 views of the home. We've got the courtyard over there, as well as the outdoor area. Isn't this an entertainer's dream? Let's go check out the master. The home is coastal inspired, and it's very evident in the master bedroom. They've got wood finishes in the makeup station, as well as the furniture choices. They've even framed a picture perfect view of the outdoor pool. Behind me is the walk-in robe. In here is the ensuite designed for 2. I've saved the best for last, so let's head outside. Leading us out to the outdoor area, the herringbone flooring transitions into this light, neutral terrazzo flooring that just adds that elegance to this outdoor space. The outdoor area feels like a resort. We've got an outdoor kitchen with a barbecue, a seating nook, and a pool, which is perfect for a day like today where you just want to cool down and relax. Thank you to Stephanie for letting us into her home today. It's been so lovely to tour this coastal beauty. I hope you enjoyed this house tour. I'll see you at the next one.